Na hekromono ayuagendrete meye kaunti ya Nyamira matemo yuboigo nigaba kago korwa ase chinsemo buna yaro bilgwa na matemo alia anekinse ye wizara ye chisemi ase kaunti ya Nyamira bali baba kora matemo a KPSEA gose amatemo alia agredi sana nemoni go balenga boroki wachiribu 15 na ibere chimibere na babere boigo bali bakora matemo alia a KCPE nigo baraboroki wachiribu emerongebere Jimmy Isano emeronge tano ne tato na batato au bakora amatemo ayo aseri tukulia lero nonye chinga kichibono chiskuru chia banyene nigo chia roka nekoli kiumbaromu bwa bana bakem au bakora amatemo ayo aseri tukulia lero chiskuru chia banyene asa amatemo ya grade sano nemo nigo barenge aboroki wachiri bubere chimibere emerongo kenda na batano babere abo chiskuru chia banyene chiali ki aboroki wachiri bu 14 au bono bakora amatemo ayo asa amatemo ya KCPE Jiskuru chia banyene nigo chiali geti aboroki wachiri bubere chimi sato na babere abwasa aboroki wachiri bu 15 ne sato beli geto kurwa sukuru chiria chia serikali.
Madam Florence Obunga, Deputy County Commissioner Nyamira South. Ningependa kusema kwamba tulianza mapema 5:30 tulikuwa na center managers hapa. Tuliongelesha hawa na pia tukahakikisha ya kwamba kila center manager ako na security yake ya kuman mtihani. Pia ningependa kusema ya kwamba hatujapata shida yoyote ijapokuwa ni hayo Bwana Director of Education amesema, na tunaamini ya kwamba kila kitu itaenda sawa sawa.
Thank you very much members of the media. We have released exams for our children in Nyamira County, and the total number of students in our private schools for KPSEA is 2,295 and 97. Public primary schools, KPSEA, there are 14,905, giving us a total candidates for KPSEA, which is 17,202. For KCPE, we have a total of 2,302 for private schools, and we also have a total of 18,281 for our public primary schools. Giving us a total of 20,583 for KCPE students and familiar cases, except for 2 candidates. We have only 2 candidates who happen to have given birth, and actually they are going to sit for the exam at our major hospital, that is level 6, Nyamira level 6.